Good morning, everyone. Today we are going to eat breakfast at the Cartoon Kitchen here in Cartoon Network. Are you girls excited?
Yeah.
And here it is, the Cartoon Kitchen. Ready to eat breakfast, girls?
Yeah.
Yeah? All right. Hello. So they have different cubbies with the Powerpuff Girls, Ben 10. Oh, we got Ben 10. Thank you. We got the cubby of Ben 10. Look at this, guys. Oh my God, my favorite. The girls got some crayons and some paper cartoons to draw. That's really cute. Ooh, you girls happy? Y'all gonna draw. Y'all gonna color. All right. So the family's here. We are going to enjoy our breakfast.
Hi everybody. When you come to this place, when you come to that room, don't forget to ask for the crayon and for the paper for painting. This is for joy for the kids. Okay, that's awesome. I like the look of this design for colorings, 4 colors, and you can design whatever you want. I hope so you can come. I'll see you soon.
This is the kids menu. And this is the adult menu right here. So I'm going to order the Banana Joe bread, and it's $8.75. And on the side, I got some turkey sausages. Cartoon Kitchen restaurant is so cute. I like that the kids can eat, enjoy their food, and at the same time they can watch TV. This time I got a different breakfast platter from the one I got the last time I was here. If you haven't seen that video, I'm gonna make sure I'll link it down below so you guys can watch it. But I definitely got the Banana Joe bread that comes with 2 slices of grilled banana bread with butter and whipped cream. I also asked for turkey sausage on the side. So I'll let you guys know how that tastes. I like the way they give you your utensil in this black fancy box. So cute, and your napkins. This is your milk for the coffee. Look how nice. Very fancy. This is our coffee already arrived. What do you have, JJ?
I have a bacon pancake.
She got a bacon pancake
With sausage on top. I think
with
that's
sausage on top.
mine. And a bacon, syrup, and butter.
I'm missing bacon. Okay. You missing bacon?
And I got syrup.
What's your name of your platter?
What's the name of the platter? Cartoon. This is a Cartoon Kitchen breakfast.
Okay.
This is a Cartoon Kitchen breakfast with potato salad like a star. Some ketchup, turkey sausages, some scrambled eggs, and some nice toast. Look how beautiful.
Little man got a together breakfast.
Waffle breakfast.
A together waffle breakfast. Look at that, looking good. And my husband got the bacon pancake with some sausage on the side. There's nothing better than spend your time with family. And this is my Joe bread, the banana grilled bread.
That's weird.
So I'm putting the whipped cream with the whipped butter together with the banana bread. Guys, this is amazing. It tastes so delicious. And the whipped butter with the whipped cream together is amazing. The whipped butter and the whipped cream, if you taste it alone, it tastes so good, so creamy and buttery. If you do order this plate, you're gonna like it. And then when you put it along together with the banana bread, it's the perfect mix. I do recommend it. The banana bread also has nuts, just in case some of you guys are allergic. Okay, Manny, how was your breakfast?
It was an excellent breakfast. I recommend this breakfast. It was so good. It was delicious, and it felt right in my stomach.
How was your breakfast?
It was great and delicious.
Alright.
My breakfast is awesome, and the service for Noah is amazing service.
That's our server. He's excellent and he's
Right, Noah?
great.
You're the best.
2 thumbs up. 2 thumbs up
Thank
for
you,
Noah.
That's perfect.
Thank you, Noah, for your
Awesome
service.
job.
You're
Good
great.
job. Good job. Amen.
Nathan, how was your waffles? Hi, Finn. How are you? We're so excited to see you again. We got somebody that wants to meet you and see you. JJ, Finn wants to see you.
You guys want pictures? All right. There you go. Awesome.
The only change that I seen here in the character dining is that you're not going to be able for now, because of the pandemic, see all the characters at once. The last time we was here, we saw Gumball, we saw Finn, and we saw Jake. So this time we only saw Finn, and the character, they will be switched every 2 hours, meaning one character every 2 hours for breakfast, lunch, and dinner. You would not know which character would that be, but it will be only one. And then in 2 hours after, another character will make an appearance. And this is the activity room for the kids, where they could also watch in the screen cartoons, they could paint, they could color. They have the Ben 10 Omni-K arcade for the kids. Look how nice. So that's it for this vlog, guys. Thank you for watching. Breakfast was amazing. The food tasted so good. My family and I were very happy with our platters. We do recommend it. We recommend for you guys to come here to Cartoon Network at the Cartoon Kitchen. You also get to see the Cartoon Network characters. We interact with you and your family and the kiddos. If you like this video, please comment, like, and subscribe. And don't forget to hit that notification bell so YouTube notify you guys when we upload a new video. And don't forget to share our videos so our channel could grow. We're trying to get to 2,000 subscribers. See you on the next vlog. You could get to see the other characters at the lobby. But for breakfast, only one character every 2 hours. Hello!